So looking at Tesla here. So Rivian, that's failing. Tesla is definitely stronger today. Clear this drawing set. Nice little cup action here. We're below the ATR high. It's 247. Right in this pocket here. I think I'm going to take this. Let's see, I'm going to go for the 255s. Now, that'll probably fail right on me because I bet it hit a golden fib. Yeah, see, it came into here and failed. So maybe that would have been a good spot to take puts. I'm sure some people have right there. But I'm definitely not going to be doing that today on Tesla. Just going to take this long. Let's see how this plays out. Again, big buyers step in, had a little bit of a gap down, and then the buyers came right in here. And right now you had this kind of indecision here. This tried to go up and it hit these yellow down arrows. That's the it's kind of like the bumper. So if it can get above that, if it can break out above that, if we get some more volume here, and then it can break out above this high, 243.65, then I think you got a shot at these levels up here, and maybe even eventually taking out this 240, this ATR high. So price level. Let's get some of this stuff marked up. Marking the bodies and the wicks. 252. And is there any news on this thing today? Tesla top 10. I don't know if there's any game-changing news like there was on AMD yesterday. Could be. Right now I'm just looking at, it showed up in the scanner, and I like the setup. It came down. I think it retraced to about 50% of that opening move. So just kind of trading in this range here. We're above VWAP. Let's change this to the pointer. Yeah, see, so the 5-minute, this is a 10-day 5-minute. Relative strength is below average, so you don't like to see that. On the day, it's strong, but it's been in this range. So this is the upper band, this orange line. Same thing as the point of control. I just don't have this as arrows, and I probably should change that. But look, came down to this point of control, found support, keeps coming down, and it's like refueling. It comes down, finds buyers. Then it's like hits this top bumper. It's like, oh, nope, we need to come down a little bit, but it puts in a higher low. But it's just overall pretty choppy. Just a chop zone, right? So I don't know if today's going to be the day where it breaks out above or if it needs more time. I don't know, but I would say I definitely got into this a little bit later than I wanted to. It would have been better to get this in here. Let's see. So we've got some buyers. Buyers are in control right now. You want to see that volume come in. Starting to here. Let's see how this. No, that closed. It's trying to get above that level here. Right, so it's stuck in that kind of range, that little box. Let's see, NVIDIA, AMD, NVIDIA. AMD hanging in there. Amazon. That's looking good right here. Look at that. Strong buying. Nice little cup action. That's also in a range. Microsoft. That's looking pretty good on the daily. Look, if it could come up through this moving average here, it looks like it's right about to do that right now. And you've cleared this level. Yeah, I would buy that right here. So there we go. So then we got the breakout. And look at this strong buying, right? Strong buying. So 251. And there's a 225. So we get above this level here. Pre-market high. Let's label that pre-market high. And let's make that, wait, finding a little bit of resistance there, but just pausing. Yeah, I think if this can get above this, what is it, 246, above these highs here and hold and stick, that would be a good thing. There's probably a lot of people just waiting to buy like right here. It's been building up the energy to make a move here. A lot of back and forth, but will it go? And here it is up against that. Also, get the pre-market high, and you have the upper band here for the 10-day point of control. So if we get through that level, it's game on. To me, it's game on. That's a breakout. And at that point, since these are next week expiration, I would be a little more comfortable trailing with maybe using the 5-minute with the 10 simple moving average, like a first close below it. What I'll do is I'll sell some of this into strength, and then I'll trail the rest.